What is the primary advantage of utilizing a CSV format rather than an Excel workbook when distributing data to external platforms? The options are: A. CSV files accommodate multiple character encodings. B. CSV formats are open and independent of any single vendor. C. CSV files inherently consume less disk space. D. CSV files are simpler to modify using basic text utilities.
When we consider data distribution, we are focusing on interoperability, the ability of different software systems to read and process the same data reliably. The question asks us to identify the core reason why organizations often prefer plain text CSV files over proprietary binary formats, like Excel workbooks, when sending information to external partners or systems that might not operate within the same software ecosystem.
I believe the correct answer is B. CSV files are open, plain text formats that aren't tied to any specific vendor or application, making them universally compatible. This ensures that no matter what system receives the data, it can be parsed without requiring specific proprietary software, which avoids vendor lock-in.
Regarding the other options, A is incorrect because Excel also supports various character encodings. Option C focuses on disk space, which is secondary. While CSVs are often smaller, the primary driver for data distribution is compatibility. Finally, option D is incorrect. While it is easy to edit a CSV in a basic text editor, that is just a convenience, not the fundamental architectural reason for choosing this format for broad data exchange.